Speaking of social media and them reactions to shit that I say, the cacas them last week again.
You got attacked again?
Me not join it with you that week, yeah. Not a blood clot.
Yeah, check out early that time.
Yes.
No, join
Yes.
in. Join in. Join in. Because you know some people not call me card boss now, right?
Oh, Chord boss.
Card boss.
They said card.
Card.
And I'm like, that
Which
sounds
card?
so ghetto.
Like Joker? Like, what do you mean?
It's
Chord
Chord.
boss.
There
That's
you
them I call me.
go. There you go.
We can't speak pat up on this with you, no?
No.
Card boss.
Say Chord.
Cards.
Why?
Chords.
There you go.
You say like my brother, codes.
Yeah.
Codes.
You different
They
codes.
call me chord boss, yeah? I don't know what I say.
So
That's
the-
why 25 minutes. A 25-minute conversation about chords.
Trying to explain.
Trying to explain it, right?
Mm-hmm.
I know what I was doing. I know say it was going to frustrate them even more.
Yeah.
But what? I find it funny. See, we can have a 25-minute conversation about chords. You see me? So we get a DM. Can I say me a card boss now? Weekly segment where I make this into now, right?
Wow.
Chords with Naro. Right? A chord talk.
I'm
Chord
tapping
talk.
out.
No, learn something. So somebody DM me and say, yo, 1Rifle by Najeeriii. I know Talibans. You know where to go to for breakdown and chord progression now, bro. Much respect from Queens, NY. Big up yourself. Say your name. Hugo. Yeah. But DM me.
Okay.
So yeah. Let's break down that now.
I did say when we were listening
Hold
to
on.
it
Can I
was like, that sound
Can I give the
familiar.
easy me? Let me give the no I say backstory, but yeah. The rewinded story. Remember one time.
what is wrong with you?
This is the story.
You know, say bun up, don't not make you gay.
Yeah,
Like, fuck.
Anyway. So remember when Jervis first that played the craft on the rhythm, the ication. So Jervis there right over there, so right? If you don't know the distance, this are probably like about 5 meters away. Right? Where Jervis there where we there. Jervis I play for me phone. The ication. So I hear it. The first time I did hear it. So like a month ago or so. I say, oh, you there? Craft have a song on Talibans with it? I say, no, it's different. I say, where you tell me, Sir Jervis? This is all like the series. And then I hear that say, yeah, that's all like Talibans. And I say, no, man, like the instrument's different than.
And I'm like,
I tell you, I'm like,
I know
I know that.
I'm not a
And then we go over and then
Listen to it for
and then we listen to it. And then we say, yeah, it's different. It's different. It's different. There are similarities though, right? There's a reason why this person and probably other people probably hear it. Just like myself, even though it was a phone me that I heard from.
Yeah.
I'm like 5 meters away. More than, you see me begrudge nobody for mistake. At least the sound night. The ication, the 1Rifle by Najeeriii for Talibans.
Yeah.
Right? So here what they do with that song, you know, that come here card box now, right? They do the song, right? The first 2 bar them upon ication. 1Rifle rhythm, what rhythm name? 1Rifle rhythm in here. Let's call it 1Rifle rhythm, right? Go play it. Let's play it. I'm gonna listen as reference, right? So these are the yeah, no. The 1Rifle by the fuck. All my favorite song right now. And the ication bad too. You see me? Oh. So these are the Taliban's reference.
big up Jeff Fuliato.
You know how bad rhythm. What them buy for somebody on YouTube? What's that happen? They bought the rhythm from somebody from it's the original thing. When was this posted?
Ufa.
The rhythm. These are the rhythm I play now.
Oh.
2021 or 2021.
When the something come on?
When
Talibans come on?
when we did that 2023 Trinidad, yeah.
I don't know.
Last year. Yeah.
Yeah, it's from 2021.
Oh.
So by them by rhythm.
Oh.
By the rhythm, man. I see other people have song by the rhythm too.
Ah.
But you see me have something to find the formula. The rapper.
Yeah.
Find the formula, man.
The plagiarizer.
Yeah. Harry, the rapper, stop it. So so I hear the cards, and I hear the chord progression here, Javi. What the chord progression, Javi? You can tell me.
Tum tum tum.
Yeah.
Tum tum tum.
Essentially, yes. You see me? So this are the
Get back in the kitchen.
well on there.
Get back in the kitchen.
Go back in the kitchen, man.
John Harrison.
Yeah, the fuck say what woman say, what next woman say to the dog.
Kitchen.
Huh?
No, because I'm like, that's not it. Cause she goes like
No, but I go on there. Like, enough people out there. Is it
just
like
clear.
like certain cacas them out there? Them don't really know them thing. Like you really
no,
have a breaking out.
because
Like
it's so different. Because I'm like, that's not what I was thinking. I thought if you
The chords.
The chords. Yeah, the chords. God boss. God boss.
Do it again, Debbie. Do it again.
Listen.
Do it
Do it again,
again.
Jobs.
Tum 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 tum.
Oh yeah, Jamie mom plays piano, you know. When I'm very musical.
To be more specific, is it me?
Yeah. Wow.
Alright, so that's the progression for that,
I'm
right?
very impressed with you guys.
That's cool, man.
Sexy.
Educational.
You two
Right?
were very sexy a while ago with it.
Don't it?
Dun, dun, dun. I'm like,
Yeah, man.
look at jams. Oh.
So these are the 1Rifle now. Alright? Hold on, let's get through this goddamn ad. Yeah. So these are the 1Rifle now. Listen. Canton is up, they not hear it. How I go on?
It low.
God damn it.
Yes.
Hear
The
it?
chord is, yeah.
So you hear
It's
that one
not
there?
the same.
Yeah.
But there's the dun, like especially the dun.
So with
can
this
hear
now
it.
it's dum, 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 dum. Like it's the same 2 bar them looped essentially
Yeah,
through the
yeah,
song.
yeah,
I
yeah.
carry the song while
Yeah.
with Talibans is say no, me mix it up, you know.
One go higher.
Dum, 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 dum. So why people would have probably hear the 1Rifle rhythm and think of the Talibans
Talibans.
is because the chord them, right? The beginning chord them similar, right?
Yeah.
But still, it's 2 different chord progressions here because it's basically the same 2 bar them from Talibans, but it looped.
Yeah.
But still it different. The timing
Yeah.
different too.
Yeah.
Which was something what we spoke about last week with
Right,
the Kakadem.
right,
So the
right.
timing was basically the same. The timing here different. The Taliban is dum, 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 dum. While this dum, dum, dum. Yo, the timing different. Yeah. The R is like, yo, I don't know if people say I'm here for reaction, like, but if you know, you know. The timing is different. You see me? It's just like the cards them. As you said, the 2 bar them.
Similar.
Similar.
This remind me of Vanilla Ice. Dun, 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 dun.
Dum, dum, dum. Like mine is dum, 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 dum. Like, brother, what the fuck you for? Right, and next thing too. What it catch me when me did I listen it with Jervis first that played the craft. Are the instrumental. Now, it's not the same instrumental, but them use the same sounding instruments. Yeah, probably from the same sound pack for real. You see me? Because the side of the snare sound similar and the rhythm kind of similar-ish, but you wouldn't say it's the same.
Yeah.
it kind of evoke the feeling of the Taliban still. You see me? So yeah, them probably the same instruments. Yeah, that's the case we have here. If I would say like on a comparison similarity scale, this will be about 40-30%. Yeah, while the Kaka song and the Jashi, you'd probably say about 70.
Okay.
About 70 there. So,
Yeah.
So yeah, man. This different. This different. This pass as different.
Different.
Yeah, different.
Just similar.
Similarities.
Yeah.
Won't say necessarily same. Oh yeah, different. While the song last week, same. Chord progression. Yeah, right.
Different
Say,
keys.
sometimes I was probably saying during the whole talk they say like the song sound the same, the chord progression. Is it because I don't want people think to me I say like the song, the whole song sound like it. I think probably that's where some people they get confused as well. No.
Yeah.
Like some I say like Bomba, Alkaline have the same flow and lyrics Steve and I was saying nothing like that.
No.
No. You see me? Love no Kakada. Loving the same way.
That's all.
And don't forget. Naro like the song.
And you love music.
I
You
love
love
music. Yeah, we love music.
Yeah.
There we go. Yo, that song by the way, Najeeriii 1Rifle. One of my favorite song right now. See, body fuck. Yeah, man. Like what I'm doing with it. Him sound different from him usual sound, and I think that's why they stand out. I think that was, yeah, they need it. Kind of people did that say him song them did that sound at least in flow. And the song them when they are released at a certain time. Yeah, the kind of sound, yeah, repetitive. I feel like so that switch up here they need it.
Okay.
I want to bodies. You see me go and sing this right now. Body. Hey, bad. Big up Najeeriii. Big up Craft on the occasion to that bad. The rhythm bad. Big up I prod by Carter. I'm produce it, yeah. I'm produce it, yeah. Frank White, yeah. We're Frank White. Zimmy Records, yeah. Prod by Carter. Well, big enough.
So that's it for Chords Talk with Naro.
That's it for Chord Talk with Naro. You can tune back in, alright?